guys, I'm glad you're in the kitchen today with me. I am making lamb riblets with a Korean style honey glaze sauce and a berry slushie to wash it all down. Now, as you can see here, I have begun with already marinating my meat with this lamb rub. And I have also put some other seasoning on it. I've got this meat and chop seasoning that I've sprinkled on it on both sides. And I'm also going to put marinating sauce. It's extremely important to get your meats flavored and tender before you do any sort of cooking. I have my lamb chops marinating in, sorry, I didn't put the hot sauce. I put Portuguese Prego sauce because I actually want my whole family to be able to eat this, and not everyone likes hot sauce, so I'll save the fiery chili sauce for maybe my plate and my dad's plate. Gotta be considerate when you're cooking for many. Let me now get the onion onto the tray and get my lamb ready to roast. Honey and soy sauce. I know I said I wasn't going to use anything chili, but hade. So I'm going to try and make a little sticky glaze for my riblets. We all know how delicious, sticky honey is. So I'm just going to take out a glob of this honey. It is 100% non-irradiated, so, and it's like, yeah, in its natural state. Okay. I'm just going to microwave it like this because clearly that's the only way I'm going to get it. You're actually doing home-style cooking here, so you don't have to do your measurements the same way I've been doing it. By the way, I've used white sugar. It's best to use brown sugar, but we do not have, so white sugar will work for now. And then I need to put 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. I've got from this brand called Paradiso. Let me just get enough in here. Lovely. Okay. And I'm just gonna do that to taste and see how it all comes together. Okay, look at that. It's coming together in there. It's coming together. For people who are very pedantic, let me give you the measurements, the exact measurements. You can use a half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And I've also added in just a little bit of chopped garlic. You can also add your herbs in to taste. But for me personally, I think I'm just gonna keep it simple. And yeah, we've got a glaze sauce. I'm gonna plate this beautifully because it looks a hot mess at the moment. I know you guys eat with your eyes, so here is our glaze sauce in a cute little ramekin ready to go. Now let's get our meats in the tray. First, though, chopped onion. Our meat is now, let me just, looking really good and ready for the oven. No matter what I'm cooking, salt and pepper. Never go wrong with those girls. They always put the perfect balance in everything. Let me pop this in the oven now. Okay, 15 minutes in, I have pulled the meat out of the oven so I can put our sweet honey, I almost burned myself, sweet honey glaze. I've decided I'm only going to put it on half of them, and the other half I'll leave plain. And yeah, I think that's the best way to go about it. I'll leave some glaze for later to top them off once they're all good. Alright, and they go for round 2. So if you're wondering why I have all these ingredients together, it's because we are going to make, twist top. We are going to make a slushie. So I've got our strawberry flavor here. Let me have a sip. It's my first time tasting that. Okay. We are putting her all in there. This is a 275 ml, so I'm making a serving for 1. I've got about 5 frozen strawberries. I have got some ice in here. I actually think I'm gonna need a little bit more ice. This is not giving me the slushie that I want, but I'll see. And then we've got lime cordial. Strawberry and lime is always a winner. So let me just put a cap of lime in there. Hello. Okay, we've got all of our ingredients in there. Let me now put this on the blender. Okay, I'm going to need to get my food out of the oven, but look at this amazing drink. Bon appetit. The aromas that just hit me, we're coming alive.